Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Thank you for joining me again today. This week at Challenge Night we had 12 people, which was just enough that we had to separate into two pools of 6 racers each for qualifying. This week for qualifying we did Joker laps in a race layout we have done before. The Joker laps that we did don't really provide like a huge advantage, maybe like a tenth or like 2 tenths. Mainly it's just a way to get on the inside of whoever you're battling with. It's like a little bit of a different take on Joker laps than we've done in the past, because usually when we do Joker laps, it's like a pretty big time gain. You could pass like a couple people and, strategize that way. The qualifying races were pretty hard hitting this week, which is not like typical of our challenge nights. So if you are on the fence about coming out, this is kind of an anomaly. Typically we're a lot cleaner and a lot less rough than we were this week. But you can just enjoy me getting battered during this video. For the feature race, we did a leader outside the cones format, which is great for me. It's basically a win-win. Either I win and I take home the trophy, or because it's kind of a luck-based race, I lose and I have an excuse. And as racers, isn't that always what we're looking for when we lose? We want to find something to blame that is not our own performance on our loss. So this is perfect. As for the course layout, we used the same one that we did in the qualifying. We modified it slightly, not too much. And at first it seemed like it was going to be kind of a big shuffle, As expected from leader outside the cones races, the cone section kind of shuffles about 3 or 4 people around every time. The leader might lose, 3 or 4 places when they have to take it. In this time, it really didn't do much at all. It kind of just let the person who was in second attempt to get the inside line when they took it. It ended up just being me and one other person shuffling back and forth the entire time, which is very unusual. If at any point you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Every little bit helps, and I appreciate it greatly. Thank you for watching.
Okay, another fun challenge night. Here we go. Let's try to get a good start going into this corner here. It's a little tough, a little tough, it's a little tough. I gotta go. And we're up to third. Let's go. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Oh boy. That was fun. We have done this course before. We have not done it regular direction that I can remember. Alright, we'll keep going this way then. Oh, okay. Sorry, bud. I'm not gonna get next to you. I'm not gonna wreck you. Alright, guys. Come on, Bone, let's go. Whoa, boy, boy. I know you didn't mean it, boy. You came right across my nose. Oh, that was funny. We should probably take him now. Oh boy, that's very slippery right now. No, don't think so. I don't know if these tires are cold or what. That sucker is slippery right now. All right, now we got a little bit of space. (19.313), that's pretty good. I think the fastest time from the last race was like 19.8 or something. Is it better to brake here? I gotta brake a little bit. I gotta brake a little. I can't just full throttle that sucker. Where do we brake at? That's pretty good. Ooh, that felt good. .994, I think it said for that lap. I gotta pay attention to my lap times. I do not know what the optimal strategy is at the moment. .965, okay. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, I'm braking a little harder than I was previously. Feels pretty good. Yeah, 19.425. That's what's up. All right, good race. Okay, let's go. Nope, I don't think so. I don't know who's there, but it ain't happening. Oh my god, I got hit so hard. Holy moly. Oh my god. Okay, alright, this is fine. Good. Okay, good. Oh, oh no, no. Yeah, that's probably my fault. Oh my gosh. Well, that puts a little monkey wrench in the old plans there. Oh my gosh, I got railed earlier. Holy, that hurt so bad. Holy crap. Oh. Yep, sorry. Yep, sorry. Let's go. Get in the inside ball. Let's go. Take him. Take him. Take him. Take him. Let's go. Nope, nope, nope. I'm there. That's my spot. I got to the side of you, dog. Oh. Okay, we got bumper cars going on. This is good. This is good. I'll take my chances. Oh my god, dude! Can we actually just try to make the turn, or what are we doing? Like, this is like ridiculous. Oh my gosh.
2 seconds later.
All right, I got a little salty at the end there. That's my. I was a little. I mean, it's the heat of the moment. You understand, right? Y'all understand. Okay, let's go. You get hit and spun a few times, so you get a little angry. So you understand? Oh no. Okay, we got 6 laps back. Uh-oh, Dave. Uh-oh, Dave. Uh-oh. That was not ideal for you. I'm sorry. Okay, he's going there again. Okay. Oh my dude. Okay, alright. Okay, but guys. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, guys. Okay. Alright, we just gotta take the... We gotta get ahead here. Yeah, we got the inside. Let's go. Okay. 3 laps. boy, what a race this, I've been in a damn football game over here. Too far away from that barrier. Ooh, my time is so good right now, 19.247. Can I catch you in 2 dang laps? Oh, what? 1 lap it's a 1 lap. Oh, no, you don't gotta hit me. It's okay. Yep. I know. Nope, stop hitting me. Can't go anywhere. Oh, okay, yep. Okay, alright. Here we go. Okay. Looks like Drew got shuffled back like 2 places. Oh boy, he hit that cone. Is the cone out of the way? Yeah, he kind of just pulls away, huh? Okay, now we gotta take the inside. I feel like I might be able to make a move on the last lap there if we're close enough. Oh boy, okay. Oh, yep. I got a little too deep there, huh? Not sure this cone layout is working exactly the way that they anticipated. Nah, that's probably not enough room to make a move on a last lap or something like that, but... Definitely making some mistakes there. But this is probably one of the first times that I am experiencing a weight disadvantage. That is for sure. Because I can tell he is not doing that correctly. But his top speed is giving him enough space that I cannot make it up every time. Because he is just out accelerating me, that's for sure. And I don't want to like dive on him there. Yeah, he just pulls away. It's actually really funny. Oh, I didn't want to spin your butt. I could have had that inside if I wanted. It's really funny how much he pulls away in the straightaways. Man, throw that checker. Come on, bud. At least I'm staying to the front. I'm pretty happy about that. Can't really complain about staying to the front. Man, every time. Oh, gee, okay, thank you. Well, we might have had a slight run if I didn't get bumped there. That's okay. Good game.